In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on the Temu desktop website. If you've received something that isn't quite right, or you simply need to send an item back, Temu makes the process fairly straightforward when you use the desktop site. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the return process from start to finish, so you know exactly what to expect and can avoid any confusion along the way. To begin, go to the Temu desktop website and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the main account area, open your orders list. This is where you'll find all of your recent and past purchases in one place. Take a moment to locate the specific order that contains the item you want to return. It helps to double check the product details so you're choosing the correct order before moving forward. Next to the order you want to send back, click the return or refund button. This will open the return request page for that purchase. On this screen, Temu will usually show the items included in the order, allowing you to choose exactly what you want to return. If you're only sending back part of the order, make sure you select only the relevant products. This is important because your return request should match the contents of the parcel you'll be sending. After that, select the specific products and tick the exact reasons for your return. Be as accurate as possible here, since the reason you choose helps Temu process the return correctly. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may see several return reason options. Choose the one that best matches your situation, and review everything before continuing. Once your return has been accepted, download the free prepaid shipping label provided by Temu. This label may be for Royal Mail, Every, or Yodel, depending on the option available to you. Make sure the label is downloaded clearly and printed at a readable size so it can be scanned without problems. Before attaching it, seal your parcel securely to help protect the contents during transit. Finally, drop off the sealed parcel at your chosen local carrier location within 14 days. That deadline is important, so try not to leave the parcel sitting too long after you've printed the label. When you hand it over, keep any proof of postage or drop-off confirmation if it's available. That can be useful in case you need to track the return or confirm that it was sent on time. And that's it. That's how to return an item on the Temu desktop website.